Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of board exam preparations. Yesterday we have seen the preparations of school, what the school authority should instruct to the teachers, to the students, and what the subject teachers should instruct the students about the examination. What are the important things they should keep in mind while they go for the examination. And this video is familiarizing the process in examination center and how to fill the OMR sheet. So reach the examination center is on time. That means entry inside the examination center by students from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then second point is that start of entry by students to examination room by 9:45 to 10 a.m. Before that, let me tell you, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. means sometimes the school will ask the students to reach the examination center, or sometimes the school directly take them to the examination center. Then start of entry by students into the examination room or the examination hall from 9:45 to 10 a.m. Last entry to the examination room is 10 a.m. So don't think that the examination will start at 10:30 and you have to reach by there only, that time only. No. By 10 a.m. you should reach the examination room or the hall. Then comes the assistant superintendent's role regarding checking of the admit cards by assistant superintendent from 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. And there gives the OMR sheet to fill and announcement to ensure that students have occupied correct seat only. They have written roll number as per instructions, and they have written question paper set. That later on only, after distributing the question paper only, we can see that they are not in possession of any barred items and other important instructions. So the students should sit in their own seat and carefully listen what the invigilator means assistant superintendent says. According to the instructions, you fill the OMR sheet. Some major instructions or major information may be written on the board itself. What are instructions given by the assistant superintendent? Listen carefully. Don't turn here and there. Suppose you have a doubt, you stand up and ask the invigilator your doubt and clear it and write down. I'm again and again telling you, after reaching the examination center, examination room, especially examination room, be carefully listen what the teacher says, what the assistant superintendent says. Then you are starting to fill the OMR sheet. And regarding the OMR sheet, yes, this I have taken the plus 2 OMR sheet. Let me take the 10 standard OMR sheet. The same thing, only the headings, little difference only there. Yes, this way. What to fill? First one, the subject, then subject code, then day and date. Yes, our 2024 examination is on Thursday, 7th March. The medium is English, and this is a court number and set number. This court number and set number can be filled. This court number and set number can be filled. The set number, the bubble that you have to darken that circle, and this can be filled only after getting the question paper. And a number of supplementary answer books. A main answer book will be there, supplementary answer books will be there, that you have to add. So how many number of supplementary answer books are there, that you have to write there. Okay, all instructions your assistant superintendent will give you. Just I am familiarizing what will happen in the examination room. Then the person with benchmark disabilities have to mark it there. Then whether writer is provided, that also should be marked there. And so if visually impaired, what software you are using, that should be filled. And each letter be written in one box and one box be left blank between each part of the exam. In case candidate's name exceeds 22 letters, write first 22 letters. So you have to write first 22 letters only. Yes, I will show you. I will tell you more about it. And here comes a roll number. Roll number means what is written in the admit card properly with be alert to write the admit card number, then the subject code, then the sender number. Children, you know your results are based on your admit card number. What is your name may not be given, isn't it? So according to that, and false number may be given, and later correct register according to the register number. You just understand that according to the register number you are getting the your result. So be careful while you are writing, while you are darkening the register number, that is a roll number, that is the number what is in admit card. Then subject code, then sender number, subject code and sender number, all these things may be depicted on the board itself, or the assistant superintendent will clear it to you. Then what is the subject? In this case, as I wrote it, as it is for social science, there you can write social science, and you can see that school number as per admit card. What is your school number? That also in the admit card it may be written there. And don't bother, don't panic what to write or not. You will get clear instruction in the examination center. So you should be free of mind. You are going to write an examination. How much time you have spent, the whole year you have spent for it, how many of them spent for you. So clear. So without tension, you be confident that you are going to write a big exam in your life. I'm telling you to 10th standard especially. So roll number, you can write in words also, and father's and guardian's name. Then after all, regarding this is regarding the assistant superintendent and the center superintendent to sign there according to the inks color provided to you. And like that, yes, I just when I wrote, this is the plus 2, say senior school certificate examination, that is regarding plus 2. And regarding 10th standard is concerned, this is secondary school examination, SSE examination, SSE examination. And here just I marked. I found one question in the education groups regarding a long name. And in this long name, it has 4 sections, 4 parts. So first part, without the consent of that, I cannot write it here. So first, about 6 letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 7 letters are there. After 7 letter, leave one box. Then comes 6 letters are there. Write the 6 letters, leave the box. Then comes 5 letters are there. Write the 5 letters and leave the box. Then the remaining name, it is having 8 letters. But you can write only 1 letter here. And leave it. Don't bother about it. I hope you understood. Okay, that way you leave it and write down. Just I copied it into a paper, whatever it is, and for to clearly, I just wrote it here. And I wrote my daughter's name also here, how to write it here. Then after filling the OMR sheet, is while you are filling the OMR sheet by 10:10, the question paper packets will be opened and it will be distributed at 10:15. This question paper packets will be opened in the presence of 2 students. Yes, the details are written in the guidelines of the exam functionaries. And question paper to the students will be distributed 10:15. So 10:15 to 10:30 is very important, very important. Carefully read the question paper. No waste of time. Fully utilize that time. You just plan that which one you will write first, like that. And exam commences at 10:30. That is very important. From 10:30 to 1:30 you can write the exam. Fully focus on that and write. And the absentees question paper will be collected by the assistant superintendent by 10:30. That is, and return of unused question paper along with the envelopes by the assistant superintendent to the center superintendent by 10:30, and sealing of unused question paper packets received from examination rooms by center superintendent by 10:45. That is, all the unused question paper will be packed and sealed by 10:45. Then closing of examination doors just before 10 minutes before the exam is over. That is 10:20. By 1:20 the doors will be closed. That means that 10 minutes more for the to write. 10 more minutes are left. So exam concludes as per time allotted in the question papers. Is an extra time permitted for the CWS and the children with the special needs children. That extra time will be provided. And just when unused paper, just those who are going for the first time the invigilation, just understand that the first set, that is the written earlier, when you open the question paper packets, what comes first, that will be distributed on the first roll number in your hall. Second number will be getting the second question paper set, and the third roll number will be getting the third set. What is in the question paper, say in the packets, what comes first, that way you have to distribute. Suppose roll number 88 is absent, that one particular one set should be kept on the desk, or then the table, and you have to distribute second, third, like that. That means that in between anybody is absent, there you have to leave that question paper. Should not be distributed to the next one. That paper should be kept on that particular desk and distribute the rest and come back and collect it by 10:30 and give it to the center superintendent. That is for the assistant superintendent I am telling you. So these are the procedures what is happening in the school. So by 1:30 only examination finishes. So have sufficient food and water, sufficient food, and go to the examination center. All the best, children, for all the best for the coming examinations. Thank you.